Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am gonna tell you about Sony Xperia 1. In this video, I am gonna also tell you the retail price of Sony Xperia 1 and upcoming price of Sony Xperia 1 and also expected price of Sony Xperia 1 and the official warranty given by the company, yes or not. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get start the video. Here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Sony Xperia 1. Here we have built-in quantity of OS, Android 9.0 pi, dimension 167 into 72 into 8.2 mm, weight 180 gram, SIM hybrid dual SIM, dual standby nano SIM, color gray, black, purple, white. Here we have in frequency 2G band SIM 1 GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900, 3G band HSDPA 850 slash 900 slash 1900 slash 2100, and they also support 4G band. Here we have in processor CPU octa-core 1 into 2.84 GHz plus 3 into 2.42 GHz plus 4 into 1.8 GHz, chipset Qualcomm STM 855 Snapdragon 855 7 nanometer. Here we have in display technology OLED capacitive touchscreen 16 multi-touch, size 6.5 inch, resolution 1644 into 3840 pixel, 643 ppi, protection Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Extra features DSL P3 100%, HDR-BT 2020 tri-luminous display, X-Reality engine. Here we have in memory built-in 64 by 128 GB, built-in 6 GB RAM, card micro SD card, support up to 512 GB. Use share SIM slot, dual SIM model only. Here we have in camera main triple camera 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel and also LED flash. Features geotagging, touch, focus, face by smile detection, SDR eye tracking, panorama video, front 8 megapixel. Here we have in some connectivity function WLAN, Wi-Fi 802.11, dual band Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth V 5.0 with A2DP LE, aptX HD, GPS yes plus a GPS port and GLONASS BTS Galileo, radio FM radio, USB 3.1 Type C 1.0 reversible connector, USB host, NFC data GPRS H3G, also 4G capable. Here we have in features sensor, accelerometer, color spectrum, compass, fingerprint, side mounted, gyro proximity, audio 3.5 mm, audio jack, XVID, MP4, H.265 MP3, stereo speaker, browser, HTML5, messaging, SMS, MMS, email, pushmail, IM, games, built-in plus downloadable, torch, yes, extra, dynamic vibration system, Dolby Atmos sound, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, document viewer, photo by video editor. Here we have in battery capacity, Zion non-removable 3330 mAh, fast battery charging, 18 watt, USB power delivery. Here we have in price will be coming soon. So I hope you can like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.